Richard Peters remained silent in court on Tuesday. According to court documents, the 42-year-old says he was cleaning his gun while drinking double shots of vodka Sunday when he asked his 6-year-old daughter, Stormy, to bring him a .45 caliber handgun. When she returned, he grabbed the pistol and says he must have pulled the trigger, shooting his daughter in the head. Peters' neighbors are having a hard time comprehending how such a tragedy could happen.
You don't clean a gun unless you check it first. You don't clean a gun with the kid in the room.
They're good people. They play outside. They're beautiful kids and beautiful parents.
According to court documents, Peters